We are pleased to show you the 2017 Spark. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.